An intro to programming with C++. Today we're looking at functions. Now we already have one function that we use all the time. It's the main function. We'll look at a program here. We use this program in a break and continue video. This is the main function right here. It has a data type. It's type integer. That actually corresponds with the return 0. We're returning an integer down there. And it has a name, and it has parentheses. All functions will have these things. So we're going to look at how can we create a function within a program. Now, you can use a function a couple different ways. One is what I'm going to do right here is take just a part of the program and set it aside, displaying the menu. That's really all one thought as I'm programming, and in some ways I'd rather just say display menu rather than have to type that all in there. So I type it somewhere else. That's within the function. I can call the function. Another use for functions would be if we have a case where there's something we're going to be doing repeatedly. Well, we could create a function for that and use that over and over again. But I'm going to create a function that will do exactly what this did right here. Now, it needs a data type, but this function will not return any values. We'll do those later. So the data type I'm putting in is void. Void meaning that it's not going to send back any value. That's a kind of a blank placeholder for the data type. So I'll call it print menu and parentheses. Sometimes we use those parentheses, but we always need it on a function. Nope, no semicolon up there. Okay, put some braces because the whole function exists between braces just like the main. And actually I'm just going to cut and paste and put that in there. So now I have all of these commands take place where print menu is. So I'm going to go down here where I had display menu and actually run the print menu function. So we're both creating and running a function in this video. Now when I do that, I don't put the data type in, but I do put the name of the function and the parentheses. That helps the compiler distinguish this from this function from a variable or something else. So let's build that successfully, and run it. And it does the same thing we had before. Yay, I chose tacos. That's enough. I want to quit. Alright. So that's a function. That is the main idea right there. We can take something we do within a program and set it aside. When the compiler runs, it goes to the main first. It doesn't go here. It looks for main every time. You always need a main. And then it does this. It creates a variable name choice, and then it goes to this. When it sees print menu, then it does this function.